Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Genesis crypto trading platform on your smartphone. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you are connected to internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, tap on the search bar and search for Genesis Crypto Login. In the search results, you'll find the official website of genesistrading.com. Here at the top of the list, you can see the genesistrading.com. It is the official one, so tap on it. Now you'll be taken to the official website of Genesis Trading. In order to log into your account, here you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now you can see the sign in option over here. Tap on it. Now it will open up the login page of the Genesis Trading. In order to log in, you must have already created your account before. If you haven't, you need to sign up for a new account first. After you sign up, you can use those credentials to log into your account here. You can see the email field over here. Tap on it and enter your registered email address. After that, tap on next. Now here, you have to enter your password linked with your account. After that, you can tap on this verify button. If it verifies your account, you will be able to log in. And once you are logged in, you will be able to explore the features of Genesis Crypto and do your tradings. So that's how you can log into your Genesis Crypto account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.